Hey, my name is Connor, and welcome to Crypto Empire, where we dominate the crypto market. The Federal Reserve just announced a 75 basis point interest rate hike, and the cryptocurrency market reacted in a very positive manner to this news. Now the question on everybody's mind is, can Bitcoin and the rest of the market continue to push up for this relief rally? Well, right now, as it stands, the charts are certainly pointing to the fact that we will continue the push up. However, there are some major resistance levels that need to be broken first. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you my technical analysis, what we need to see happen in order for us to push up higher and get this relief rally. And I'll also be sharing with you a ton of altcoin trade setups. So if you are interested in seeing this, be sure to stick with me until the very end of this video. Also, if you are brand new to Crypto Empire, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and turn on all the notifications so you don't miss any future videos. And let the gains be with you. Taking a look at the overall market, we have a $1.1 trillion market cap, up 9.2% on the day. So we saw a ton of capital flow back into the cryptocurrency market today. Bitcoin is trading for $23,203, and we have ETH trading for $1,655. This is major. Ethereum is leading the altcoins. If we can see Ethereum break out above this major resistance level at $1,725, we will see altcoins follow through with immense strength. Now let's start things off by taking a look at Bitcoin, and then we'll get into ETH, and then we'll get into the altcoins. So looking at BTC here on the daily price chart, one can see that we are back again at the top of this range, and notice how we have not been able to close above this price level over here at $23,400. Every single time price has gotten up here, all we have seen are large wicks up and then rejections back down. So if we can see Bitcoin close above this level and hold it as support, that will be major. That means we would leave this overall consolidation range and then head up towards this lower wick from back here in May, over here $25,300 approximately. And then after that, the utmost price point that we would see for this relief rally would be over here around $28,600. That is the best case scenario. There is no guarantees that we do actually get there, but we can't count our chickens before they do hatch, because if we take a look at this other Bitcoin chart just here, it's very easy to see that Bitcoin is at major trendline resistance. On this chart, I have two parallel trend lines going back to the all-time high at 69,000 back from November of 2021, and then from back here, from that pump we had to $48,000 at the end of March and beginning of April, this trend line has been in total control of price since that local high was formed back at the 1st of April 2022. And now as it currently stands, the Bitcoin price is once again testing this trendline resistance level. So if Bitcoin can break above this and hold above it, hold it as support, again, we are in for some more upside. I think the rest of the month going into August can be very bullish price action, which will allow us to make a ton of money on our altcoin trades. Now, of course, like I just said in the beginning of the video, Ethereum is the leader of the altcoins. So we do need Ethereum to cooperate with us here as well. First things first, it is awesome to see that Ethereum did go ahead and it finally was able to break out with a nice bullish engulfing candle for yesterday's daily candle. Today's daily candle did just form around 3 hours ago. But as you can see, with this nice green bullish engulfing candle, we managed to close above this major trendline resistance level, once again going back to the highs from November of 2021. Price did get rejected at this level all of last week. Now it's looking like we are finally going to break away from this level. We already have a nice close above it with this bullish engulfing candle. But the main thing now on ETH is we want to see a close and hold above as support at the $1,725 level. Going back in time, this was the major support level all throughout the correction we saw after the blow-off type of top we had in May of 2021. Ethereum corrected down here to the $1,725 level. So that is major structure support, now currently flipped to resistance. And also this was the last support before we had the horrendous crash back over here in early June of 2022, around 2 months ago now. As you can see, this is where price fell off of a cliff. So this is major resistance at $1,725. We do need Ethereum to cooperate here, close above it to get what we are looking for for our altcoin positions. Now, speaking about altcoin trade setups, I am currently in one active position. If we head on over to the Crypto Empire Premium Discord group, by the way, if you do want to join the Crypto Empire Premium Discord group, go ahead and hit the link. The first link in the description down below will take you to the official Crypto Empire website at cryptoempireco.io, where you can find all information about the Crypto Empire Premium Discord, where you get all of my trading calls, daily market analysis, as well as a community of like-minded traders that are in it to win it every single day. Now, looking at the Discord, I am currently in one trade as it stands, because also we have a big day tomorrow in the markets with the GDP announcement coming out at 8:30 a.m. on Thursday, July 28th. What will this mean for us? Well, it's going to define whether or not we are actually in a recession. As we can see here from this tweet from Zero Hedge, Jerome Powell does not think the U.S. is currently in a recession, and he is taking the GDP report with a grain of salt. In this tweet here saying that you need to check with the latest definition of recession. Now, what is a recession? Very simply put, we can read right here. The most popular definition was 2 consecutive quarters of declining GDP. A healthy economy expands over time, so 2 quarters in a row of contracting output suggests there are serious underlying problems. So it does appear that we will have tomorrow officially the second quarter of declining GDP. What does that mean? It means there are serious underlying problems with the economy. So I am not going full risk on just yet. I am waiting for Ethereum, for Bitcoin to tell us that it's time to go risk on by closing above these key levels. And I'm also expecting some volatility tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. with this GDP report. Anyway, back to the Discord. The one trade I am currently in is Engine ENJ. I went ahead and took my entry earlier on in the day at 57 cents. And if we take a look at the engine chart, the trade is working out thus far. Price trying to get above the major resistance level at 60 cents. After that, it is relatively clear skies to the first target at 69 cents. With that being said, I am managing this trade very closely, moving my stops up, not taking any unnecessary risk right now because of the current state of the market. It is not time. It's not the bull market that we had 1 year ago. It is time to be more cautious as a trader. And if you've been actively trading this market, you are already well aware of that. So Engine looking very primed up. It had a beautiful retest of this triangle breakout, went ahead and retested this previous resistance trend line, flipped it to support, now trying to get above 60 cents. So this is the one active position that I am in right now, currently up a small 4% about. So we're going to see if this one does deliver, but a lot of altcoins do look very good. I showed you Ethereum already. You can certainly trade Ethereum and Bitcoin. I'm also liking CRV, looking very good with this nice ascending structure, a series of higher lows with horizontal resistance up here at $1.42. If CRV can actually break above this level, we can easily run all the way up here to $1.91 and then get above $2. And as it stands, if you take it from the breakout level only, you're looking at a gain of around 35% just to your first target here. So CRV, add it to your watch list. Beautiful ascending structure. You can certainly call this an ascending triangle. One chart that looks extremely similar to CRV right now is BNB. BNB, same story. Beautiful ascending price structure. Horizontal resistance over here, $273. Currently testing that resistance level. As you can see, it did fail to actually break above that level previously, but the more taps at the resistance door, the weaker the level does get, which means eventually this will break out, and I think it could be sometime soon. So again, add BNB to your watch list. Another primed up trade ready to go. And when this does break out above the $273 level, over here just to this wick high is 23% on BNB, which is very good for a trade. Of course, if you do want to use leverage, that is completely up to you. If you're looking for an exchange to begin trading leverage with, go ahead and check out Bitget. They have great liquidity, super low fees, and if you use my affiliate link, you do support the channel, and you also do get a major discount on fees, as well as other incentives and bonuses. So check out the link down in the description below for Bitget. Create your free account, and once you fund it, you will get those bonuses. So check it out. It is a great exchange. I am loving using Bitget thus far. So BNB also looking very good as it stands. Another one is Cosmos Atom. Atom looking extremely strong. with the daily candle right now. I'm not going to drop this down lower than a daily time frame. We're going to look at the macro here because we are looking for a multi-week relief rally. If Bitcoin can get to 28K, ETH gets above 1725, it can easily run back up to 2100, and that would send all of these altcoins flying. So Atom, as it stands right now at major resistance at around $10.50, went ahead and tested that earlier on, a very short while ago now. And if Atom can actually continue this, well then we are looking for at least $12.20 is green line here, and this is a gain of 20%. All right, so if you want to enter prematurely, that is completely up to you. This is not financial advice. This is for educational purposes only. But Cosmos Atom looking primed up, super strong as well. Decent pullback. Notice how we do have a higher low on the chart. All these alts are showing higher low structure, leading into horizontal resistance. Everything is looking very primed up and good to go. One more before we do actually wrap up the video is one of my favorites to trade, Solana. If we look at Solana's been a bit of a laggard right now. Solana, just like the rest of the altcoin market, is in this major macro downtrend. We do have this trend line on the chart here, this resistance trend line. And just to this resistance trend line from current price, we are looking at a run of 25%. We do have this major resistance level at $47 marked right here on my chart. Price did get rejected there once prior on the 19th of July, around a little over 1 week ago. So I do think $47 at the minimum will get tested here in the short term, and just up to that level, you're looking at around 18%. After that, $52 is your next resistance level, and then we can easily see a run back up into the 60s. And if we do end up getting that, we're looking at 50% on Solana, which is very good. Notice again how we do have this beautiful higher low structure, price continuing to make higher lows, also printing a higher high here to this run up to $47. With this most recent pullback, just another higher low, primed up, ready to break this resistance over here at 41.80, and then from there we should see 47, 52, and then 60 plus, so on and so forth. But we do need Bitcoin and Ethereum to cooperate. Before I do end this video, I will reiterate, we want to see Ethereum get above $1,725, and we do want to see Bitcoin get above this resistance trend line here at around $23,600, you can call it. But most certainly a run back up to $28,000 is in the cards here. Does this mean that the bear market is over? No, not just yet. The macroeconomic situation is still looking very bleak. As we can see here, it's looking like we are officially going to enter into a recession, but we are due for this relief rally in crypto. This is not new to anybody in the crypto empire community. I've been watching this and anticipating this move for weeks, and we have been playing it very successfully inside of the Crypto Empire Premium Discord group. So again, if you were interested in joining the group, go ahead, hit the first link down in the description below, and I'll see you inside. So in this video, we touched briefly on the macroeconomic situation, and then we hopped into the charts, looking at Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a ton of altcoins, laying out some trade ideas. I hope that you did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure you let me know by leaving a like down below, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. Also, if you're new to Crypto Empire and you're not already subscribed, go ahead right now and smash that subscribe button down below and turn on all the notifications so you don't miss any future videos. And my name is Connor from Crypto Empire, and I will see you in the next video.